This is my DIY swimming pool in the backyard. I made a little waterfall out of a trough and a decorative bucket. It's about 4 feet deep in the middle, and it slopes up to a couple of feet deep around the edges. And I ringed it with just cement blocks and 3 layers of tarp. That's all. Just kind of dug a hole and shaped it, and lined it up directly with the edge of my back porch like that. So now this is the Lingo's got his ball over there. This is the view from the back porch area for the DIY pool. I just used a little pond pump, which is down there in sort of the deep part, and it's just pumping it up there. That's it.